Hey, it's Allison with Travel Girl, and today I'm taking you to the Met. Alright, my favorite thing to see after going up the grand staircase is ancient Egypt. It's just breathtaking. And after that, you can walk through ancient Asia as well. Remember not to stop there. There's still ancient Greece with so many cool artifacts that I actually lost my friend walking around, but then, after a while, I found her again. She's all the way in the back. I'm glad she came up with the idea to go to the museum because working out on the treadmill in the winter was getting a little bit boring, and this was way more fun to go back in time and all over the world. Before we knew it, we had seen it all, made a wish, and returned to present day. But I'll see you next time on Travel Girl.